Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, it is said that Zama Dumo's husband, well now she is Zama Gumbi. Her husband built her a mansion. She said that it is a farmhouse. Now how many girls can say that in South Africa? She's marrying rich. Like, I know people are busy on social media, like, oh my gosh, his hand, oh my gosh, he's been bleaching, but he's very colorful. Girl, please. You know, you would also want him if you were in that position, because shame, like I've always said, a man who has money is the most handsome man in the world. Even if that man wouldn't even have a leg, he will be the most handsome man in the world, as long as his pockets are deep. And also, I saw someone was like, "Oh, the Gumbi wives looks happier than the Mseliku wives," and my answer to that was like, "Of course, he's richer. I mean, he's richer, guys. He's richer." And it seems like the wives get along. I don't know how, maybe it's because of, I don't know, man, but they seem to be happy. I think it's because of, if you have money, I mean, everyone will be happy. Like Umseleko has been complaining about money. That man, girl, please. But he knows he has wives and children. Maybe he's trying to save or whatever, but I really don't care. You know, is like, oh, Ugombe is like, hey, I need to work. Remember, even in the speech on his wedding day, was like, I wake up every morning for all of them. Look how beautiful they look. And I'm just saying, girl, you are blessed. You are happy. Keep on going back to school, start a business. He's wealthy. He'll take care of you. But make sure you stay focused on your school work. Okay? So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video.